Question number 7. A laptop is bought for rupees 25,000 and its value decreases by rupees 200 every year. Write a linear expression to represent its value after t years. You have to find its value after t years. Look at the question. In 1 year, price decreases by 200. So after t years, its price will decrease by 200t. In 1 year, it is 200. So in t years, it will be the 200 into t. So what will be the value? Initial value is 25,000. Since it is decrease, you will do the subtraction minus 200t. And if it is a growth, linear growth, you will do the addition. And if it is a linear decay, this is known as decay. So then you will do the subtraction. Clear? Question number 7. Look at this question. Write the coefficient of x square. A, B, C. You have to write the coefficient of x square. You know what is the meaning of coefficient? Whatever is the number written along with that is known as coefficient. So if I look at this question, this is your x cube, but this is your x square. So what is the number? It is minus 2. Don't take 2. We take the minus sign also. So what is the coefficient of x square in A? It is your minus 2. Look at the B part. Question is x minus 5, 2x square minus 3x plus 1. Again, we have to write the coefficient of x square. Don't write it as 2 because it is not in simplified form. Here it was in the simplified form. Here it is a bracket. Means first you will multiply these two equations. After the multiplication, you will write the coefficient. Am I clear? First you will simplify it. Okay. So, when you will multiply 2x cube, x with minus 3x square, x into 1, x minus 10x square plus 15x minus plus minus 5, right? Now, collect the terms. Minus 3x square minus 10x square minus 13x square, 15x plus x, 16x and minus 5. This is the simplified form. Now write down the coefficient of x square. So the answer will be what? Answer will be minus 13. Clear? After simplification, you will write the coefficient. Look at the C part. X minus 2, x plus 2. So this is your question. Again you will multiply. So this is your which identity? A plus B, A minus B. What is the answer? A square minus B square. B square means it is your 2 square, right? Value of B is 2. So what will you get? You will get x square minus 4. So what is the coefficient of x square? Nothing is here. Means I can say 1. So coefficient of x square will be what? Coefficient of x square will be 1. Am I clear? Right? Coefficient means whatever they have written with them. If in this question I want to write coefficient of x cube, it will be 1. Now in this question, coefficient of x cube is 2, coefficient of x is 16 and constant term is minus 5. In this question, if I want to write coefficient of x, what will be the answer? Answer will be 0 because we do not have any x over here, right? So these are about the coefficients. Clear?